We will discuss the assignment method, maximization. The steps in maximization is identical to what is described in minimization except for the following steps. Step 1. Each figure in each row is to be extracted. Step 2. To produce the second matrix, the following figures of each row is subtracted from its respective maximum.
First step, take out the maximum figure from each row. In our first row, the maximum figure is 14. In our second row, our maximum figure is 11. And in our last row, we have 12. The solution to this type of problem can be obtained by means of the steps described. Second step, deduct each maximum figure from the figures in each row. In our first row, the maximum figure is 14. 14 minus 11 is 3. 14 minus 14, 14 minus 6. In our second row, our maximum figure is 11. 11 minus 8, 11 minus 10, 11 minus 11. And in our last row, our maximum figure is 12. 12 minus 9, 12 minus 12, 12 minus 7.
After deducting the figures from the maximum figures of every rows, we will proceed to the next step. The next step is determining the least number of vertical lines and horizontal lines required to cover all the zeros from the new matrix. N is equal to 2 less than 3. If the number of lines is less than the number of columns and rows, proceed to the next step. Our next step is taking out the minimum figures from each of the new column. In our first column, our minimum figure is 3. From our second column, our minimum figure is 0. And from our last column, our minimum figure is 0. Our next step is deducting the minimum figures from figures in each column. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8, 8. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, 5. Step 7. Determine the least number of vertical and horizontal lines required to cover all 0 in the matrix. Step 8. If the number of the line is less than to the number of row and column, we will proceed to the next step. But then again, if the number of the line is already equal to the number of row and column, this will be the end of the solution.
This is the final step to maximize the profit. The optimal assignment is obtained when the number of lines equals the number of columns and rows.